Now it's time for Morning Movers. So what should we be looking at the beginning of your trading day? Scarlet, tell us what's happening.
Well, we just brought you the results from Deere for the fiscal fourth quarter. The shares are moving around, but little change at the moment at $85.99. Same close as yesterday. Fiscal fourth quarter earnings per share trailing the consensus, $175 versus $188. First quarter revenue, that is revenue for this quarter of equipment sales, $6.73 billion is what it sees. That's higher than what analysts were looking for, which was almost $6 billion. And we've been talking about the fiscal cliff. Deere making some comments about how economic and fiscal concerns warrant continued caution. There's that watchword again for this year.
I love it when the corporate executives give you clues into the macro economy.
But didn't you just talk to Alan Patricoff, and he said that most people who start businesses, they just do start
It was
businesses,
a contrarian
right?
call.
Yeah.
Jason Trennert agrees with Ben Bernanke, who says it's already having an impact on business. Another stock you've got to be watching today would be HP, after shares tumbled yesterday when it was revealed that HP was taking an $8.8 billion write-down tied to its purchase of autonomy. We're going to speak a lot about this now that the FBI is involved. How on earth did this happen at Hewlett-Packard? Well, now the shares are rebounding a bit in the pre-market, but they certainly took a large spill yesterday.
They're still hovering at their lowest in 10 years. Let's also talk about Heartware International, HTWR. It is trading lower in the pre-market this morning by 2.7% to 87.15. Downgraded to market perform over at Wells Fargo after the stock yesterday spiked up 9% after U.S. regulators gave it an approval for its implantable heart pump. So that accounted for the big boost in the stock price, but Wells Fargo says hold off.